The size of the competition map is 120 centimeters by 120 centimeters. The robot base size is 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Before the robot leaves the base, its length, width and height cannot exceed 25 centimeters. There are black guidelines on the field and at mission points. They are representing legacies from the past and a magical key placed on the tower. Let's play. If the robot completely leaves the base, score 20 points. Obtain past legacies. The robot places the red past legacies in the orange area. Score 10 points for each. The robot places the blue past legacies in the blue area. Score 10 points for each. Obtain the magical cylinder key. Robots runs autonomously and transports the key back to the robot base. Score 80 points. Hello everyone. This tutorial will focus on geometric forest sample solution. This solution is for reference only. Feel free to innovate and come up with some better ones. This tutorial is divided into two parts. The first part is the task car building part, and the second part is the sample program for the automated phase and the selection of the remote control device. The first step is to build the chassis for the base car. Here is the building progress. This competition is divided into an automatic stage and a remote control stage. Legacy detected tasks can be done both automatically and remotely. Next, we need to install a universal wheel for the car to keep the front and back balance. In order to achieve the task of legacy detected, a structure is needed on the car that can push the cubes. We added a fork structure to the car using the plate and the crank. Here is the building progress. The legacy unveiled task, the robots must be controlled only through coding. The automatic stage requires the car to have a patrol line function. So a grayscale sensor is installed for the car. Here is the building progress. In order to make it easier for the car to carry the mission props, we use blue handle and slope tile to build the expansion structure for the car. Here is the building progress. Until this step, the robot cart building steps are all completed. In the second part, we come to the programming devices for the automatic phase. For U20 Pro Kit we can use coding cards with coding pen. The reference program is shown in figure. For U30 Pro Kit we can use Smart Panel. The reference program is shown in figure. In addition, we have the option to program with the WeCode pad. But if you want to use this coding device, you need to buy it separately. Finally, for the choice of remote control equipment, if you use U20 Pro, please use this remote control in the accessory pack. If you use U30 Pro, please use the following buttons on the Smart Panel. Thank you for watching.